Good day mga ka-senior citizens. There are 3 things that can make a senior citizen happy and positive. First, stay connected with people. Having a regular interaction with family, friends, and community members is the greatest factor in happiness. You can do this by talking with someone every day. Number 2 is by spending time with people who are kind and supportive. And third, you can join groups, clubs, or community activity. Why this matters? Because being valued and not feeling alone boosts mood and emotional health. Second is to keep a purpose every day. Having a reason to rise up every morning helps maintain positivity. You can do this by helping others, by volunteering, by mentoring, by taking care of family members. Next, you can maintain hobbies and routines. And third, you can set achievable goals every day. Why this matters? Because purpose builds self-worth and optimism. Third is taking care of your body and mind. Mental and physical well-being directly affects emotional health. You can do this by having light exercises like walking and stretching. And you can also indulge in mind-stimulating hobbies like puzzles or reading or learning. And also by having balanced meals and good sleep. Why this matters? Because if the body feels better, the mind follows. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching.